guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco. For today's video, guys, is that we'll be doing unboxing, and that is, ta-da! This is Macbook Air 2020. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do. Please don't forget to click the notification bell so that you'll get updated with my latest video, guys. So let's get started and do this unboxing. Okay. Macbook Air 2020 13-inch only has 256 gigabytes. So the reason why I bought this, guys, is that I need it for my work. If you haven't seen my first video yet of unboxing 2019 MacBook Air, it's not for me, it's for my partner, guys. So this time, super na-delayed, guys, ang pagbili. Wasn't able to purchase it before February because of the lockdown and everything, because there's no stock yet of MacBook Air 2020 because it's really difficult, guys, to find MacBook Air 2020. Okay. By the way, guys, I bought this at iClick outlet, guys. So,
hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa SM South Mall. Yan, first time ko lumabas. First time after 3 months. There guys, ta-da! We're here. Hi po, bayaran ko na yung remaining po. Hey guys, paying time daw. Paying time daw. Di ako sanay nagkaganon eh.
Alright guys, so here it is. So this is it guys. So it's MacBook Air 13-inch.
So yung warranty po natin ma'am, there is po sa amin. Runner po, mas okay ma'am if meron pong beyond the box, nearest branch po sa inyo. So dali niyo lang if ever magka-problem. Yung Mac unit. And then kasi ma'am, mas okay kasi if ngayon po natin siya i-check.
Ano pa?
Kasi ma'am, wala tayong 7 days replacement.
Mas gusto ngayon.
Yes po, mas okay kasi siya ma-check ngayon para makita natin if mayroong scratches or then for approval po yung mga replacement ngayon.
Kaya mas
kapag
gusto
mauwi niyo na siya ma'am, tapos din nyo parang ma-check, direct na po kayo na sa Apple service po.
Ay, gano'n. Di bali, mag-rest na lang ako. Kasi gusto ko i-unbox talaga sa bahay. Oo.
Okay lang pala po ma'am.
Wow, hiwakan. Yeah. Bye! Unboxing later. Later tomorrow. Okay, alis na kami, guys. Tada! Gutom na later. Okay, guys. So, this is Archie. He's very excited unboxing this with me.
alright, guys, so let's do this and let's unbox. This is Archie. Okay. So, ta-da! Yeah. Let's unbox this together. Alright guys, so let's do the unboxing. As you can see, ta-da! Alright, I'm very excited for this. This is it, guys. For my work, this is not something to brag. So yeah. This is, by the way, this is the color Space Gray. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I really love doing unboxing. Okay. Tapos guys, alright. Oh my god. Ta-da! This is it, guys. So there's no dent. Okay, so far. So we're gonna get it. This is the color Space Gray, guys. And then flip it. Okay, lumabas na. We got here, of course, there's a charger. So we have a spare charger. Oh wow. So this is how it looks like, the charger, the new I think this is a new charger, guys. There you go. Ta-da! course, this is
Alright.
guys. Okay. I don't want to ruin this plastic, so I'll do this. That's it, guys. So let's turn it on together. No chichi. So there's a wow, it's already on. So let's do this. Chichi. Wow. So look at the keyboard, guys. So I need to set it up. So far there's no dent. I love it. Alright guys, so we're almost done setting up Siri, guys. Hey Siri. Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my download. So while waiting for the password and everything for the iCloud to be set up, guys, so we'll be cuddling with Archie. Chichi. Chichi. Meow meow. While setting up, guys, completely, I'll be getting the 2019 MacBook Air, and we'll be comparing the difference between this and 2019. Okay, alright guys, so as you can see, it's now fully set up. Okay, so this is the MacBook Air 2020. So we just set it up, as you can see, and then yeah, as what I can see here, the keys are matte compared to 2019. So the 2019 is very glossy. So there you go. It's very glossy. 156 gigabytes versus the 2020 has Intel i3, and then this one is i7. So this is the comparison, guys. Okay. So I don't see much difference, to be honest with you, but of course, yeah, this one is dirtier. The left side is dirtier. Okay, so finally, thank you universe for making this happen. Yeah, because we had a lot of struggles before getting this, because I needed it for my work as well as for my editing, my YouTube. Supposedly, I need to get 512 gigabytes at least. However, guys, we don't have much budget anymore. Okay, yeah. So yeah. So also there would be another MacBook coming by next year, and it would be the processor of Apple, not from Intel. So we're looking forward to that. Say also thank you to iClick Outlet. This is not sponsored, guys. Okay. So yeah, I love the color of space gray. It looks like black, and it's like wow. Ta-da! So yeah, saan sa kamay, guys? So I'm really hoping that this is somehow enough for my YouTube videos and everything. My partner said, and as all of the reviews from MacBook 2019, that as you can see from 2019, the keys can be erased, while for the 2020, this is more improved keys. So that's why it's matte. So it's not gonna be erased. So let's play.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yes.
So today's video, guys, is that
So
we'll
that's
be
the-
doing.
Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching my new video for today, unboxing and setting up my new MacBook Air 2020 in comparison with the 2019 we got here. So yeah, if you do have any questions, suggestions, comment down below, and don't forget to click the notification bell if you're gonna subscribe, so that you'll get updated with my latest video, guys. Okay, So, see you guys in my next video. See you guys in my next video, guys. Alright. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, calm, and have a good bye. See you guys. Bye. Gonna work now.